For sure, this will be a hit movie, and one hit movie cannot just be one hit movie. For sure, there will be next offers to do more movies, more team-up movies between the two of you. But are you prepared to do more movies, even if it might affect your personal relationships or personal lives?
Interesting question. Are you open to answering the question? Definitely, Julia.
Yeah, you know what, Tito? I feel like there's no might, because I believe both Josh and I are both in a very secure place in our lives na kahit gumawa pa kami ng 10 pelikula, hindi naman yun yung intention naman nun ay hindi para makasira ng isang magandang bagay. So, yun lang. Siguro we're in a very secure position in our lives, and it's not, I guess, fair to put it that way to the people that will be, affected with the way that you ask the question. But we'll be fine. I think we're okay. Tignan mo, ang saya naming natapos yung Unhappy for You. Lahat ng nasa paligid namin masaya para sa amin. Minamahal pa rin kami. So I think it says a lot about where we both are in our lives.
Nice. In other words, it's a yes. Joshua, that's...
Yes po. Yun na lang din po yung sagot ko. Kasi actually, kami po na Jude, parang iba na yung approach namin sa work this time. Mas professional. We know our boundaries na rin, alam mo yun. So, wala naman ba tayo, pero sana comedy naman. Kasi bigang-biga kami dito. Masaya na ba kayo?
Happy!
Kaya para i-deny siya sa pain. Yung balat tunod, naman talaga direct pictures and yung pain.
Meron na kami peg na...
Sana comedy.
Oo, comedy. Yun na lang yung dinidream namin habang nag-eksena kami ng mabibigat. One day, Josh, magka-comedy tayo. Yung comedy lang.
Okay. Tito Dan, you're good?
It's nice for you to do a comedy next. After Unhappy for You, it should be very happy for you.
Thank you po.
A very happy for you. A video of you asking audiences if they would watch your movie with their exes. Kailan ka dumating sa point na you became comfortable enough to meet your ex again? To meet your ex again, and ano yung nag-precipitate nung feeling na yon? Okay na ako to Joshua. Yeah.
So in other words, in a simpler form, ano yung tanong?
I know. Naguluhan nga rin ako, pero sabi ko ang ganda ng tanong, pero ako naguluhan.
Hindi mo tinatanong.
Tita G,
ano parang kanina pa tinatanong sa'yo din yan?
Alin?
Kayo na ko pahawak ng script.
Yung sa mga show daw kasi, first of all guys, tinanong ng ibang cast yan. Inulit ko lang yung tanong. Baka hindi klaro. At saka nag-joke lang ako. Kumbaga, hindi ko namang ini-encourage na panoorin niyo with your ex. Kasi choice niyo naman yun, di ba?
Kasi uso ngayon ng mga exes na nag-reunite.
Uso ba yun?
Officially for you yung sa Showtime, di ba?
Yes.
Especially for you.
I mean, choice naman niyo yun. I mean, kung parang, di ba, kung trip niyo yun.
It's for entertainment.
Oh, for entertainment lang naman yun.
Masaya lang, di ba?
Correct. Joke time lang yun. Pero hindi namin sinasabing kailangan panoorin niyo itong kasama mga ex. Kahit mag-isa kayo, okay lang. Basta panoorin niyo, buy a ticket or something.
Josh, may dadagdag ka ba? Okay. Kasi yung next ikaw na. The question, what steps did you take to prepare for the role and was asking your current partner's permission included in these steps? Did you ask permission from?
No, hindi ako nag-ask sa partner ko. Kasi bago pa rin kayo magkakilala, alam niyo yung pagiging actor na yung trabaho.
Oh, sana all, no?
I'm just very supportive about dun sa movie. Kung ano naging process ko sa movie, in-enjoy ko lang yung process. In-enjoy ko lang siya, and enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho ulit si Julia. And in-enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho si Direk Peterson and lahat ng cast natin dito. Yun lang yung nangyayari nun. And kung may mali man kasi kami magawa, kino-correct na kami ng writers and nila Direk eh.
May writers on the set ka, kayo?
Yes,
dumadala.
very hands-on sila sa pelikula.
At least hands-on, di babaya. Charot, may pabaya pa. Tawa ng tawa dito, Miss Kaya. Okay. Ano, ikaw to o ako to, Justin? The next set.
Next question will come from Jimpy Anarcon of Freebie MNL.
Yay! Birthday ni Jim pila 2 days ago. Hi James, stand up. Happy birthday. Uy, dito si
Thank you so
Julia,
much.
favorite mo.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. First question, ano naman to ha, not naman on the negative side, no? But hindi ba kayo nag-worry? Kasi most of the time, pwedeng dalawa yung effect, di ba? Pag nagre-reunion yung mag-ex, either, syempre you become friends talaga, which we all hope for. And some, medyo mag-open ng can of worms, parang ganon. Tapos di na magka-work after.
Kind of what?
Can of worms, mga, siguro mga unclosed keme, ganyan. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na baka mayroong ganong sitwasyon?
May mga mauungkat na ano, may mau-open na issues, Joshua. Issues. Hindi ba kayo nag-worry na may
Hindi ba kayo
mga mabubuksang issues?
Or naka-ready na kayo or naka-gear na kayo na okay, this will be a fun set. Happy reunion.
Ini-idiomatic expression naman kasi tayo. Ini-idioms tayo ni Jimpy.
Feel ko ready na kami kasi unang-una hindi rin namin tatanggapin kung hindi kami ready.
Actually naman.
Kasi diba, parang bakit namin gugustuhin na masaktan kami dito sa pelikula? Parang sobrang sadista naman natin sa sarili natin. Diba? Parang I think ready na kami bago pa namin gawin. It's been 5 years na din diba? Tagal na. Marami na nagbago and yung ibang-iba na, right?
Yeah, in a good way.
In a good way. Yeah.
Ikaw, Julia.
Ano po yun?
Addition to that.
Saan po?
Doon
sa question.
sa mau-open na mga
Kung hindi ka ba nag-worry?
can of
mga
worms.
Hindi naman, I don't think it was worry. Honestly, I was just really excited to reunite with Josh, work with him, and work with Derek Peterson, our cast, our writers that, you know, I worked with Kukay several times also. So it was more excitement. I think ang ganda ng mindset namin lahat coming into this project na we all had one goal, and I think that made us bond even closer because of that one goal.
And then Julia, coming from that viral video, no?
What?
Hindi, eto naman, parang...
Ready lahat sila, yun yung tanong.
Hindi, ang ganda kasi na narating nyo na yung ganong sitwasyon na pwede na siyang pagtawanan, gawing joke. So parang through the years na, yun nga, nagkaroon ng something, tas pwede kayong magka-work ulit ngayon. Paano nyo na-achieve or na-prepare yung sarili nyo to be in that situation na pwede nyo na siyang pagtawanan and you can work together harmoniously?
Yeah.
Sorry. I feel like parang may understanding na kami na even if we don't talk about it, parang okay na sa amin kasi tagal na parang happy na kami sa posisyon namin sa buhay ngayon. And then parang ang gusto na lang namin mangyari ngayon is parang ma-retain yung friendship namin, di ba? Kasi sayang kasi di ba parang iba na rin yung understanding natin sa isa't isa.
Yes, agree. Tama yung sinabi ni Josh.
Okay. Thank you so much
Thank you
and
so
congratulations.
Thanks, James.
I mean,
Happy birthday ulit.
happy birthday!
Okay.
Happy
Gusto mo,
birthday.
tanongin ko to na ano. Here's a question kasi ang maganda to pero parang feeling ko nasagot na, so hindi ko na itatanong. Charot. For Joshua, Josh, sa palagay mo ba hindi makaka-apekto sa relasyon mo, sa real life girlfriend mo, ang pakikipagtambal mo kahit di pa parang nasagot niyo na hindi, don't have to tell.
Hindi naman.
And for Julia, how was your working dynamic with each other evolved? How has your working dynamic with each other evolved since your last collab?
Our last is Paubaya.
Paubaya. Wala, you know what? It feels so the same and different at the same time. But different is good because it means like over the years, parang nag-evolve na kami as people and as actors as well. So it's nice that, you know, we've grown a lot in those past years as we come together and we get to learn new things about each other and then from each other while we're working. So it's really been a really good and fun experience doing this with Josh all over again. Parang iba talaga yung dynamic namin sa trabaho. Ang dali ng trabaho kapag may pagkakaintindihan kayo na kayo lang makakaintindi sa proseso na yon. So it's special. It's it's different.
Tama namin. It was a real special relationship that you had, and up to now, you still keep that, di ba? Yung respect for each other, di ba? Kaya ang gandang lumalabas. The question pala came from Wilson Riquiza ng Kapamilya On Demand. Okay, may gusto kang tanongin, or we can entertain questions from here, from Alan Diones, I understand. May mga gusto, Mara, may gusto kang tanongin? Bago ko basahin itong 29 questions. Charot.
Ayan, Sir EJ, siguro umpisahan muna natin.
Sige.
Naka-standby si Judy Arias of Metro.Style.
Ayan, Judy?
Hey, Julie Arias po. Hi, Julia, Joshua. I have a question. So, what lessons about love do you hope the audience takes away from the film?
Wala. Tsaka in pain eh. Iiyak
This
pa kami nang
movie
iiyak dito.
is all about feeling ko isa dito yung healing. Healing. Yung pag-accept. Tama.
Ang dami, you know why? May sariling personal journey si Juancho, may sariling personal journey si Zai. And even all of our characters here in the movie, we all have our personal journeys na nakikita talaga namin yung isa't isa. Para kaming reflection lahat ng isa't isa. We all have our different pains and our different joys. So, but tama si Josh, it's healing, it's letting go, it's accepting, it's setting free. It's really gonna be an emotional roller coaster ride in this film. And yeah, excited kami na guluhin ang buhay niyo for 2 hours. Joke. I'm just kidding.
One more for Direk naman. The question.
The question is from?
For Direk po.
Hindi, anong name mo?
My name is RC and I'm also from Metro.Style.
Ganda.
Thank you.
Pinagandaan tayo ng RC.
Thank you po. And my question po for Direk is, why did you choose to shoot in Naga? What is special about Naga? And how does the location enhance the story?
I've been meaning to ask, di ba may iba rin binibigay yung landscape ng Naga, di ba, Direk? Are you a Bicolano?
Actually, no. Hindi naman. But it was actually an idea that I worked with our writers. Kasi part of the journey that actually hindi pa natin masyadong binabanggit, but you actually guys saw it in the trailer, is medyo mapang-ahas at may nakakatakam na element din yung reunion ng exes sa story. And we felt like Naga as a city that's filled with a lot of spiciness. We wanted to like also embrace that
The silly
that
challenge.
flavor. Meron din siyang flavor na gano'n. At saka yung, di ba na-add anything?
Go ahead, Miss
Kasi
Poo.
as mentioned by si Direk P, parang, di ba, yung pag kumakain ka ng maanghang at first, parang papasipa ka. But later on, parang kapag nandun ka na...
Paano yung sipa?
Ikaw mo. Si Bong, parang kaya ni Bong yung sipa. Ayun. Di ba, parang parang, what was that? Pero meron siyang sarap na nabibigay later on.
And the pain stays.
Oo, pero the pain stays, but it's so good.
Uy, totoo yan.
So,
After, di ba, parang you still wanna keep wanting for more.
Totoo, di ba? Kain ka naman ng kain. Kahit
Yes.
nandun yung pain, nandun yung heal.
that's why we set it in
Kahit
Naga.
alam mong nadala ka na, uulitin mo pa rin siya.
Yes.
Doon ang pelikula. Dapat pala tayo dito sili.
Silly challenge.
Kasi
Yun
that
ang
explains
time.
the whole synopsis yata, di ba? Nadala ka na, sige pa rin.
Yes. Nasaktan ka na, gusto mo pa rin.
Ganda. Ang gandang anong tawag doon. Anyway, okay. You're good, Miss RC.
Thank you po.
Thank you, dear. Gusto kong tanungin yung yung buong cast about, kasi usong-usong nga ngayon, di ba, naging controversial nga yung mga nagkakabalikan, depende sa, hindi ko alam if you have been into open relationships. Like si Bianca, napakabata, parang 11 lang years old lang yan. Si Bianca, Char. Anong stand mo on reunited with an ex?
Ikaw muna, Bianca.
Bianca.
O gusto mo muna si Bianca muna, si Miss
Parang
Bianca.
marami kang gustong sabihin.
Bianca, face it.
I stand on reuniting with an ex.
Oo.
I guess, iba-iba naman tayo ng...
Meron ka na rin naman nagkang
Yes, opo.
At 11, charot.
10.
Ay, sumasagot sa akin.
Iba-iba naman tayo ng personal experiences and pain. Pero ako, for
Ay,
me,
oo.
personally as Bianca, kapag wala na, I'm really not one na balikan pa. Kasi kung tapos na, yun na siya. But, you know, if
May hugot
maybe when
din.
the time is right for him and maybe for me or generally.
Depende
Siguro
kasi sa
yes.
naiiwan. Depende talaga
Yeah,
sa
depende
sitwasyon.
talaga. Pero for me
Oh,
personally,
yung naiiwang
no,
pain.
okay na ako eh. It took me so much to, heal and everything. Hindi ko babalikan. I'm ready.
Nag-confident din ng hugot ka talaga.
No, general lang yun. General lang yun.
General,
Yes.
pero okay. Si Aljon ba, meron ka na naging open relationship? Naging kayo ba talaga noon siya?
Para sa akin naman po, syempre depende pa din kung paano kayo nag-end. Kung may respect naman nung nag-end, why not? Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na nag-reunite kayo, kailangan maging kayo ulit na mag-jowa, di ba?
Special.
Pwede ding maging friends or good work.
So pwede?
Pwede.
It doesn't have to be romance, no?
Yes.
O
Tsaka, kapag time kasi talagang mag-heal ka din eh. So, dadating yung time na hindi ka na naapektuhan. So,
parang yung
goal.
Josh Lee, no? Napapayag sila magtrabaho, naging friends sila.
Yeah. Super professional and
Tsaka
super
never nilang sinaktan ang fans nila. Nung naghiwalay sila, parang hiwalay lang, pero wala silang sinaktan. Di ba? Derek Peterson, may share ka ba ng reuniting with...
Masaya naman yun. Masaya kasi magulo yung buhay mo from time to time.
Huwag naman perfect, di ba? Huwag naman,
Masaya yun. Tsaka inspiration.
Mukhang saya-saya mo sa buhay mo ngayon, Direct Piano.
Isang oras lang tulog niyan.
Yan lagay na yan, ha? Okay, si Miss Mayan, meron na rin namang serious relationships.
Pero
At
kung mag...
13. Charot lang ba ako?
Wow, okay.
Naiiyak?
Hindi, makatilang. Tawag dito, kung meron pa siguro pag-ibig at may pagkatuto, sige, okay lang. Pero kung if you're just getting back with an ex for nostalgia's sake, bakit pa? Diba? So...
Kung busitin ang sarili mo, di ba?
Oo. Pero depende sa inyo, di ba?
Depende talaga sa sitwasyon, tsaka yung naiiwang pain or memories.
At sana nga may pagkatutong naganap, di ba? Kasi kung wala, bakit pa?
Nice.
Sino ba akin?
Ayan. At ito na.
Yes po.
Aamin ka ba ngayon?
May stand po on ano.
Wow!
Here's my stand. Charing lang, hindi ako personally. Personally, I won't. Pero it depends on the situation o anong nangyari with your past. And I believe masasagot ng movie na yan if you should
promo.
Kaya panoorin niyo po August 14 in Cinema Station 1.
Nagka-girlfriend ka na?
Girlfriend?
Charing! Baka sabihin mo na misgender kita. Gulat na gulat. Yan ang acting mo ngayon eh.
Yes,
Ibalik
po.
mo yung tanong kay Sir EJ.
Kayo po, nagka-girlfriend na po.
Thank you na, thank you.
Oy, sumusunod ako sa ate ko.
Bentang-benta,
Sister
Joshua,
Pia.
Julia. Magko-co-host na kami ni
Pinapractice na namin ang comedy, natin dito.
Kaya nga, sabi niyo, let's all have fun. Kaya nga ako andito para sumaya.
Let's watch the movie.
Clown na million ako dito. Ito na, parang...
Kai!
Ito,
It's your time to
wala
shine.
akong alam sa personal life ni Kyla. Alam ko lang yung trabaho.
Okay lang yun, Sir EJ. Hindi na po natin kailangan mag-ano.
Malaman pa nila.
Hindi. Syempre, ang daming factors. It really depends on, like what everybody said, the circumstances, how you broke up, diba? Pero personally for me, I think it's a boundary that I set for myself na even friendship, I wouldn't consider anymore. Civil, of course. Pero friendship, parang hindi na.
In all your exes,
Yes.
kahit na maganda yung yung gitna, traumatic
Personally,
yung
it's
uli.
just a personal boundary that I set for myself. Na parang, civil, of course, di ba? But then, hindi na yung parang, tara, kain tayo. Yung ganun kind of friendship.
Hello.
Hindi na ganun. But I guess it also matters the headspace that you're in. If you're secure with yourself or if you are in a secure relationship, I think that also counts for something. And I feel like that, and of course your environment as well. Diba? And I feel like that's why this movie is so beautiful, and yung partnership ni Josh and Julia is also so beautiful because they're in such a great headspace and such a great point in their lives na nagawa nila ito ng walang any kind of drama, it's just pure professionalism and also great connection and a great friendship. So, yun.
I'm sure proud na naman ang nanay mo si Janice. Joshua, Julie, ito na ba yung sagot dun sa tanong? Yung ginawa niyo tong unhappy for you?
Siguro naman hindi na kami tatanong.
Kaya nga, baka naman may iba.
Kasi kitang-kita naman sa lahat.
Oo. So basically, ito yung sagot. Na you can be okay being reunited with an ex.
Yeah.
Kasi nagsama kayo eh, no?
I'm not sure, okay lang ba sa'yo yun? Okay lang ba sa'yo
Tapos na yung
yun?
pelikula na yun, pinagdudahan.
Sa'yo okay lang din.
Okay naman, kayo. Mature.
Hindi, pero okay lang. Okay lang.
Yeah, oo naman. Wala naman tayong bit-bit na.
Yeah. Totoo yung sabi ni Aljan, depende kung paano kayo nag-end. Yeah.
Totoo, di ba? It could be an ex na happy ending or ex na hindi traumatic. So depende kung sino yung tinutukoy mo na ex, di ba? Kala mo naman, ang dami kong pinagdaanan sa relasyon. Diyos ko. Okay.